Good morning, everyone. How are you being today? We're going to be speaking a little bit about the power of nature. Why spend time in nature? Well, research has shown spending time in nature can have positive impacts on stress, cardiovascular health, concentration, immunity, mood, anxiety, and it can even increase your energy levels and vitality. It's also a great way to reconnect with the environment. So next time you're feeling down or feeling anxious, or maybe even when you're feeling sick, take an hour or two and spend some time in the nature around you. Think about what's nearby. Do you have a park nearby? Maybe a forest. Even a garden would work. When you're in nature, it's also important to be mindful. How can you do that? Think about your 5 senses. What can you see? What do you smell? What can you hear? What do you feel when you touch the plants around you? Focus your mind on those sensations that you're experiencing, and you'll find yourself reconnecting not only with the nature that surrounds you, but with yourself too. Try it out today.
Be yourself in peace and love.